MK Party made a big announcement out of what is supposed to happen tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 14th of June 2024. There's going to be the first sitting of Parliament, right? So MK Party or MK Political Party has made an announcement concerning that, right? Clearly outlining their positions and look about what is going to happen tomorrow. So we will talk about that as well. MK Party, remember that they said they are not coming to look to form part of the sitting that is going to happen tomorrow. So this letter is just addressing that. Then the very same party has addressed us about people that are supposed to be voted on the provincial level. So they said, okay, in a letter that I have seen, where is this letter? Let me just look. Yes, I found the letter, guys. In a letter as well, that was released. Yes, there it is. In a letter that was released on the 13th of June 2024, the MK Party confirmed its members' participation and so on in the provincial legislature. Right. So those are the things that I want us to talk about. Yeah, I can confirm to you that, you know what, this year's politics is going to be interesting. Yeah? It's really, really, really going to be interesting. It's gonna be interesting and such that, mind you, we are still waiting for the electoral court to rule over the elections, and already people are electing presidents and everything. So I'm sitting and I'm saying to myself, way here, we are up for something. I can promise you, and I swear to the living God, we are up to something, right? Yay! I remembered that we are also up to something in this YouTube channel, and it is this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel. And you know what I'm saying? We'll bring you more, and also, guys, want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Right. So where do you want me to start? Let's start with membership. The MK Party confirms that members of the provincial legislature will be sown in during the respective sittings tomorrow, the 13th of June 2024. So I'm already late with this one. It was happening today. The MK Party is unwavering in its pursuit to ensure that every vote reflects the true will of the people. We continue to reject the hasty declaration of the 29th of May to the 2024 results, advocating for fair and just process that respect the democratic rights of our citizens. Okay. So provincially, they have allowed their members today to be sown. But then tomorrow, there's going to be another big one where nationally this time things are going to be happening. So what are their stand? They say MK Party denounced Concord ruling and protest against Parliament's illegitimate sitting. Okay. They said the MK Party expresses its profound disappointment with the Constitutional Court's recent decision to dismiss our application to interdict the sitting of Parliament. Regrettably, the Crown Court denied us the opportunity for a hearing, preventing us from presenting our case. Okay? Which I must say, I was surprised. That surprised me, and I was like, oh, but who am I? This is the same court under Justice Zondo that sentenced President Jacob Zuma in an absentia for 15 months without the right of appeal. It is saddening that our plea, which strikes at the heart of democratic integrity concerning the rash declaration of election result, on the basis of satisfying markets by the Independent Electoral Commission, IEC, was declined without deliberation on its merit. Yeah. Okay. Our grievance centers on the validity of our objections but on the IS's premature decision or local decision to announce the results before duly considering our challenges. With the court seems to have missed its rush to dismiss any involvement by the MK party or President Jacob Zuma. More puzzling is that the Constitutional Court chose to make pronouncement on Section 46 of the Constitution unrelated to the core issue we raised, particularly without a full merit explanation. What are you saying about that? To say you make a ruling on a matter, you're quoting Section 46, but you have not heard the matter. The MK party, they are saying there's a red flag there, right there. Hey, all right. Okay. In response to this outcome, the MK party is consulting with National Leadership Corps and legal advisors to determine our steps and explore all available options to seek justice and uphold the rights that we believe have been compromised. We plan on hosting press conference where President Jacob Zuma will address the nation on the MK party's position and chart a way forward during the upcoming long weekend. We therefore research that our designated representative will not participate in what we consider to be an illegitimate sitting of the National Assembly in Cape Town, which, as at its core, intends to endorse an transformational alliance between the ANC and the of Ramaphosa and the DA of Helen Zille, an alliance that is promised on so-called unity, which is nothing else but an act of putting lipsticks on a pig. Yeah. In Maryland, so sealed. putting lipsticks on a pig's lips. I didn't say anything. Yeah, I didn't say anything. Yeah. Scratch that part. Hey, MK party. Hey, MK part of it. Yo. Hey, Buffett, let me read this part. It says, hey guys, this part here, young ideas. But we therefore research that our our designed representative will not participate in what we consider to be an illegitimate sitting of the National Assembly in Cape Town, which at its core intends to endorse an transformational alliance between the ANC of Ramaphosa and the TA of Helen Sile. Listen to this one. An alliance that is promised to be that promised the so-called unity, which is nothing else but an act of putting a lipstick on a pig. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay. The MK party says the MK party remains steadfast in its commitment to principle over convenience and will continue to stand firm against any political processes that we believe undermine genuine democratic principles. Yeah, but it's putting a lipstick on a pig.